Some other tax matters that I'll mention, just a few. First is that the VAT threshold has been increased to £79,000 from £77,000 from April 2013. So that's the registration limit, so the limit beyond which, when the turnover exceeds that, businesses have to register for VAT. Nothing really changed on national insurance contributions, none of the rates changed, so nothing there that we need to worry about. And stamp duty and stamp duty reserve tax has been removed on transactions involving what are described as junior shares. So these will be shares traded on stock exchanges which don't fall within the HMRC definition of a recognised stock exchange for most tax purposes. But that would include, for example, AIM shares, which are no longer subject to stamp duty or stamp duty reserve tax. And finally, using the old accountant's joke of referring to this as a sin tax, we'll mention the taxes on fuel, beer and cigarettes. The fuel duty increase has now been delayed, so the proposed 3p fuel duty increase that should have been happening in April has been delayed. The beer duty, alcohol duty increases have all remained the same, apart from the duty increase on beer. This has actually been cut by 1p per pint, and in introducing this, the Chancellor, the HMRC press release in fact says that pubs play an important role in communities contributing to the social life of their locality and offering an environment that encourages responsible alcohol consumption. Well, they've never been down to my local, but pretty clearly they've identified a policy need to, while increasing duties in respect to most alcoholic beverages, that isn't a necessity in the case of beer, so there's been a cut. And in line with the broader policies of the government, health policies of the government, there's been the usual continued increase in duties on tobacco, and that we are sure will continue to increase for the foreseeable future. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a summary of the Budget 2013. I hope that has been of some use. Please remember, you're always free to contact your normal Haines Watts partner or your normal Haines Watts contact to discuss any of these changes in more detail. My name is Tom Moore, and thank you for listening.